kill the girl, too.
I love you, so I must devour you.
Emergency. Unknown infection outbreak on board.
Baby.
Now, I'm infected too.
Mommy, it's me, Luna.
Back off! She's my daughter!
I can't hold on.
Daddy, Mommy, where are you?
Stop! Any bite? Don't move. I need to check.
Let go, my daughter.
Monster! Die!
Kill me first.
Everyone! Don't attack that family!
Commander, are you crazy?
This little girl, I have other plans for her.
Extract more. Her blood can make 10,000 cures.
You all deserve to die!
Commander, those 2 zombies are alive. They're coming here.
Nadia. Mary. Sohni. Sawani. Mary. Bago. Mary.
Listen, Lily. These monsters have no eyes, so they can't see you. As long as you don't speak,